Get closer to it? Was that the outfit? You were told not to get close to it, and then we have to be close.
That was last time. Okay. We're going to do a couple songs for you here. This first one is old Everly Brothers song called Roving. It was done by several other folks since then. I think this version was done by
A guy named Billy Joe Armstrong and a girl named Nora Jones. I forget the songs.
This is Roving Gambler, and it's a little bit of a toe tapper.
I had a joke about toe tappers, but then I forgot what it was. So we're just going to play the song now.
I am a roving gambler, I gamble all around. Whenever I meet with a deck of cards, I lay my money down. I lay my money down, lay my money down. Well, I had not been in Washington, many more weeks than 3. I met up with a pretty little girl. She fell in love with me. She fell in love with me. Fell in love with me. She took me in her parlor. She cooled me with her fan. She whispered low in her mother's ears. I love that gambling man. I love that gambling man. Love that gambling man. Oh, daughter, oh, dear daughter, can you treat me so? Leave your dear old mother with the gambler go. With the gambler go. With the gambler go. My mother, oh dear mother, cannot understand. The airways need a coming back. I'll be with the gambling man. With the gambling man. With the gambling man. Well, I left her in El Paso, and I wound up in Maine. I met up with a gambling man. Got in poker game. Got in poker game. Got in poker game. We put our money in the pot, dealt the cards around. I saw him deep from the bottom of the deck and shot that gambler down. Shot that gambler down. Shot that gambler down. Well, now I'm in the jailhouse, got a number for my name. The warden said as he locked the door, "You gambled your last game. You gambled your last game. You gambled your last game." I am a roving gambler. I gamble all around. Whenever I meet with a deck of cards, I lay my money down. I lay my money down. Lay my money down. You want to introduce this one? So this is really needs no introduction. It's a song that Wilson and I have been wanting to do for years for Father's Day.
It's been a long time.
We figured we could probably practice some Madelyn. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping left its sense while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain
desert streets I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night, touched the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools said I do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but the words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence, and the people bowed and prayed to the neon God they made, and their signs that